The pool of hundreds and hundreds of potential jurors in Colleton County in the Alex Murdaugh trial is thinning out each day, and now, after 2 days of jury selection, we're down to a little more than 100 jurors left.
Murdaugh is on trial this week and in the coming weeks accused of murdering his wife and his youngest son to hide millions of dollars he swindled from his clients, law firm, and even his own friends and family.
Live 5's Katie Kamen joins us from Colleton County Courthouse this morning. Katie, what will be happening on the third day of proceedings today?
Good morning, Nick and Aisha. Well, we expect today to be the last day of jury selection, and opening statements could begin as soon as this afternoon. After 2 days of narrowing down that jury pool, 122 potential jurors will be coming back to the courthouse today just before lunchtime for that final round of jury selection. Now, yesterday, during pretrial motions, Judge Clifton Newman heard arguments from both the defense and the prosecution on what should be allowed to be included in the trial. He ultimately ruled on two issues: ballistics testimony and finances. He denied a request by the defense and is going to allow the prosecution's ballistics testimony. He denied a motion from the state involving financial crimes. Now, those financial crimes, of course, are a key piece of evidence for prosecutors who argue the crimes make up the central motive for the murders. The judge essentially ruled how the state presented the motion. It's called a motion in limine. That's typically used to exclude evidence, not add it. The judge says he was not prepared to grant a motion to admit evidence that way. The state agreed to introduce the evidence as needed. All other motions will be addressed as they come up during the trial, including the defense's request to throw out testimony for both of the state's blood spatter experts and the state's request to exclude polygraph evidence and third-party testimony. Court recess is until 11 o'clock today. That's when that jury pool will return. They'll be whittled down to 18 jurors, 12 main jurors and 6 alternates. The goal is to have that all done by the end of the day. Live in Colleton County, Katie Kamen, Live 5 News.
Thank you, Katie. Well, make sure to stick with us throughout the day. Our team coverage will continue today at noon. We're going to have crews in Waldoboro to bring you the very latest. You can also find us online and on streaming platforms, including Roku, Fire TV, and Apple TV.
You can also get real-time updates on the Murdaugh trial through our live blog on live5news.com. Just click on the banner at the top of our homepage for new information throughout the day, straight from Live 5's team of reporters and digital journalists.
And if you need a refresher of all the events in the Murdaugh murder trial, set a reminder for 3 o'clock today. Live 5's Michael Higdon, she's going to be making an appearance on Dr. Phil. She's going to fill you in on everything you need to know about the case. Again, that's at 3 o'clock right here on WCSC.